I got the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38 men's road running shoes off of the Nike website. They were $120. I was looking for a shoe with a lot of cushion for running, and this pair of shoes was highly rated. And here they are inside of a standard orange shoebox with the Nike logo. I'll open them up, remove the cellophane. Alright, here's the shoes. I got the black and red version. Depending on the color of your shoe, it might be a different price. Here's the logo on the side. It says Nike Air Zoom. There's the back of the shoe. There's the other side of the shoe.
Engineered to the exact specifications of the world-class runners, Nike Running. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38. There's the Nike logo on the inside. There's the bottom of the shoe. It says Air Zoom right there. Let's take the other shoe out of the box.
Let's take a quick look at this shoe. It should look like the other one. Here's the side. There's the back. There's the other side of the shoe. There's the look from the front again.
Got some cardboard in there. Take the cardboard out of the other shoe. The laces are tied on top here. I'll undo those.
Now it's time to put them on and try them out. So I'm just going to loosen it up and get my feet in these things. Tighten them up a bit. And tie my shoes. Put the other one on. Tighten them up. Tie my shoes. And I'm ready to go try these things out. Feel pretty good.
Now I've had the shoes for a while. I still like them. They've been really good for running. Let me slip them on. I just put my foot forward a little bit. Otherwise the back kind of rubs a bit. Beyond that, that's the only issue with the shoe. As long as I slide my feet forward, I don't have that problem. I've noticed less knee pain while running in these shoes versus the old pair of shoes I had. My feet hurt less too when running or walking. Overall, I would recommend these shoes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.